थिएटर या सिनेमा?
दिस इज अ वेरी टफ क्वेश्चन। मैं सेट पे हूँ अभी, मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, इस दुनिया में मुझे यहीं रहना है।
कॉमेडी रोल्स या इंटेंस सीरियस कैरेक्टर्स?
आई डेस्परेटली वांट टू डू अ कॉमेडी।
वर्किंग इन अ मल्टी स्टारर या वर्किंग एज अ मेन लीड?
आई डोंट नो, दिस इज अ हार्ड वन।
करीना कपूर या करिश्मा कपूर, हु इज द बिगर फैशन आइकॉन अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
आई लव
A remake of Shashi Kapoor Saab's romantic film that you love to star in.
आई डोंट लाइक द आइडिया ऑफ रीमेक्स।
It's a beautiful love story. Do you think that it can be made into a film at some stage?
इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, दैट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन।
Your favorite Ranbir Kapoor performance?
Such a privilege and a pleasure to speak with you. Really, I'm so happy we could have this conversation.
We'll end this interview with a rapid fire with you.
Yes.
Okay, so Azan, we have this segment in the beginning. It's basically ye ya wo, either or if you have to choose one.
हाँ
Okay.
जी, हाँ जी।
Shashi Kapoor Saab ya Raj Kapoor Saab, who's a better actor according to you?
दादाजी फॉर बीइंग मोर वर्सेटाइल। आप हाउस होल्डर जब जब फूल के लिए दोनों कर सकते हो, आप जुनून दीवार दोनों कर सकते हो, मतलब आप वर्सेटाइल तो बहुत ज़्यादा थे।
Shashi Kapoor Saab. Okay.
जी,
Ranbir Kapoor ya Karisha Kapoor, who's a bigger foodie?
रणबीर।
Okay. Working with a director like Raj Kapoor Saab ya Shyam Benegal Saab, who would you have wanted to be directed by?
राज कपूर साहब, आई एडमायर हिम एज़ अ डायरेक्टर एंड एज़ अ पायनियर ऑफ सिनेमा टू मच। मतलब वो कमाल थे, कमाल स्पेशली अर्ली इयर्स, उफ़, 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 कमाल।
So all-time favorite film of yours of Raj Kapoor Saab?
Tough. Aag, I think Aag and Avara are my favorites. Even though, I mean, there is early ones, but also then Sangam is very strong.
Hmm.
But जो शुरुआती दौर के फिल्में थे, वो बहुत ही स्पेशल हैं, बहुत ही स्पेशल।
Okay. Web series या feature films, which one do you think, which medium do you think has more scope for you as an actor?
I love films. I've been given my biggest look at this series की वजह से हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं। But I love something about the classic cinema experience, you know, कि आप जाओ वहाँ पे सिनेमा घर में बैठो, अंधेरे में, फिर पॉपकॉर्न खाते-खाते एक पिक्चर, एक कहानी, उस मतलब बंदिश में संक्षिप्त ऐसी कहानी, सिनेमा ओनली हैज़ दैट पावर।
Okay. Theater या cinema?
दिस इज़ अ वेरी टफ क्वेश्चन बट दोनों, कैन आई से दोनों? मुझे थिएटर मुझे थिएटर नहीं छोड़ना है और मुझे सिनेमा को चैंपियन भी करना है, तो मुझे दोनों करना है। दोनों करता रहूँगा, ये मेरी कोशिश है।
मेरे भाई एक्टर बहुत अच्छे हो आप। Okay. Being on set या off screen downtime?
ऑन सेट, आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट, या।
Hmm.
आई टेल यू वन स्टोरी, सॉरी, आई विल गिव क्विक डाइवर्जन।
Sure.
मैं बताता हूँ। मैं जब 18 साल का था, मैं ऑन माय फर्स्ट रियल जॉब, मतलब 17 साल का था मैं, ऑन माय फर्स्ट रियल जॉब, जिस वजह से मैं जब सेट पे था, रात की शूटिंग थी एंड 3 बजे रात को आई वाज़ अ थर्ड एडी। मेरा काम था कि कॉस्ट्यूम और वार्डरोब को सँभालना, कि कॉस्ट्यूम वाले एक्टर के वैन में सब कुछ सही सलामत पहुँचा रहे हैं, वो सब तैयार होके वो सेट पे आ जाए। दिस वाज़ माय जॉब एज़ पार्ट ऑफ एन एड शूट। एंड आई कॉल्ड अप माय फादर एट 3 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग एंड माय फा हड़बड़ा के वो उठे। बोले कि क्या हुआ? मैंने बोला नहीं कुछ नहीं, बस मुझे ये बताना था कि यही है। इसे क्या? ऐसे नहीं, यही है, मैं सेट पे हूँ अभी, मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, इस दुनिया में मुझे यहीं रहना है।
क्या बात।
एंड दैट वाज़ द मोमेंट। तो मैं सेट पे बहुत खुश होता हूँ, उस दुनिया में जहाँ पे लोग एकजुट हो रहे हैं और कुछ कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और वो भी काल्पनिक। मतलब क्या बात है! खेल है, खूबसूरत खेल है वो। तो मैं वहाँ बहुत खुश हूँ।
क्या बात है। Okay. Relaxing on a beach surfing या a ranch with horses?
These are two passions of mine, so it's very again hard for me to choose. Um, I think relaxing on a beach probably little more, because when you're with horses कुछ ना कुछ स्ट्रेस तो होता रहता है। उनका ख्याल करना पड़ता है बहुत ज़्यादा। But both are real extreme passions of mine, horse riding and surfing and swimming in the sea. So very fortunate. Again, that's a contribution of my father, really. But I think maybe a beach. I'm more at home on a beach.
Planned vacation itinerary या go with the flow adventure?
Go with the flow. I have a great story, and another time I'll tell you about how I traveled through Rajasthan for 10 days by road without any planning. कि हम कहाँ जाने लगे कुछ पता नहीं, बट जस्ट वी वर विद टू ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स एंड वी जस्ट वेंट एंड वी जस्ट ड्रोव अराउंड फिगरिंग इट आउट एज वी वेंट. इट वाज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माय लाइफ.
I think traveling is the best thing that one can do.
बिल्कुल,
Okay, Shashi
बिल्कुल.
Kapoor Saab's legacy. You're forging your own path in cinema.
फॉर्जिंग माय ओन.
Comedy roles, या intense serious characters.
I desperately want to do a comedy. I want to learn.
Hmm.
I'm very curious. मुझे करना है. मैंने थोड़ा-थोड़ा कुछ-कुछ मतलब नाटक में मेरा पहला वाला नाटक में कुछ-कुछ सीन्स ऐसे थे, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे लगता है कि सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है कॉमेडी. और मैं बहुत हाँ, बड़ा मन करता है करने का.
Okay, on-screen chemistry with a newcomer, या an experienced actor.
Experienced actor could be very fun. I would love to work with like some more experience because you get to learn a lot.
Okay,
I think yeah.
working in a multi-starrer, या working as a main lead.
I don't know. This is a hard one. मतलब कहानी के मांग के ऊपर है. अभी मल्टी स्टारर ठीक है. मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू बी दैट पर्सन हू थिंक्स कि नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगा मल्टी स्टारर. एट द सेम टाइम आल्सो लालच तो है कि हाँ मुझे करना है. मैं तो मेन लीड करना चाहता हूँ. मैं क्यों नहीं करूँगा? मैं कैसे ये जवाब कैसे दूँ? दोनों चाहिए मुझे. मैं लालची हूँ.
Okay, classic Bollywood songs, या modern soundtracks.
You know I love the disco era. I
Okay.
love R.D. Burman साहब्स डिस्को फंक स्टफ. मॉडर्न में भी ऐसे कमाल के गाने हैं, बट आई थिंक वो 70s 80s के गाने में बहुत ही मतलब गजब फ्लेवर है वो.
Kareena Kapoor, या Karishma Kapoor, who's the bigger fashion icon according to you?
I love Karishma's taste right now. She is so interesting. Her choices have of late in terms of her fashion. Um, I love it. I love what she's doing with her whole wardrobe her outfits and stuff. I really like it.
Okay. A game of football with Ranbir, या shopping with Kareena.
Shopping with Karina.
And why is that?
She's got great taste also. She's got great taste and she'll treat. I hope she'll treat me because she's got she loves her food also, her wine also. She's got the places she visits. I think she's quite an adventurer in that sense. Like she really enjoys the good life. So I'd be very happy if she took me out.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable are you with cussing in real life?
10.
You're fine with that. Daya will be happy.
Yeah. Yeah, Daya will be very happy. My father is also a big cusser, I'll be honest with you. In our house, this is also this is the English side of influence, I have to tell you. This is the side of the family that comes from my grandmother, and the English side, which are very blunt and curt and no nonsense, and it's a way of affection only. But there's no preciousness about मतलब नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं. Like it's very मुंह फट like that. So I'm quite comfortable with quite rough around the edges.
Okay. An important event or a person that you feel deserves to be documented in a series or a feature film, according to you.
This is again a hard question because I feel there are so many. But you know what I'll tell you? I think there are incredible stories of loyalty. You know, as a people, I think मैंने भी देखा है कि ऐसे कमाल के पुराने रिश्ते हैं जहाँ पे like for example in a family or in a business and people who have been working in those companies or people who have been working or people who have worked in your family home or people who are like your dedicated vendors, maybe your tailor also जो ज़मानों से आपके सूट सिल रहे हैं और वो सब. I think these stories of these relationships are fascinating. Our bonds can be very deep, in our culture. And I think I would love to see those kind of stories also explored.
All right. Okay. A remake of Shashi Kapoor Saab's romantic film that you love to star in.
You know, I don't like the idea of remakes, to be very honest. I think जो है उसको वहीं पे रहने देना चाहिए. I wouldn't, and that would be too much of a comparison.
Just as a thought, if at all, if a remake of Shashi Saab's romantic film that you have to be part of.
Uh, I would like to be I would like to be part of the making of Junoon as it was, and in some small bit part. and I'll just watch it. Matlab, be a part of it, the process. I don't want to superimpose myself in his role. But I'll be a part of it.
I think it's a classic. It's Junoon is a classic that needs to be celebrated more. I
I
genuinely
agree.
feel it's a
I
very
agree.
a very classily made film and very important
Yes.
film. Okay, Ramesh Sippy directorial you wish you could be a part of.
Shakti.
Which role?
I don't know. Again, I mean, I don't know. I mean, they're both too iconic, but I think that story is very powerful. It's such a
Very
good
good.
story.
Yeah, very
It's
good story.
such a
Yeah.
powerful story. And it's
So,
just performances, it's just performance. Like, do takkar ke actors. Oof, very strong.
what does the lunch table look like during the Kapoor family get-togethers?
Very full. To a lot of food. It looks like it's full. तरह तरह की चीजें होती हैं.
An actor who has redefined acting according to you.
इरफान खान साहब.
Hmm.
His he did things in a very deeply felt but deeply subtle way. Um, and his honesty, I think, his conviction in anything was quite something.
Okay, one thing about Shashi Kapoor ji you wish more people knew about.
Um, how much he actually tried to champion things he believed in. He wasn't about the fanfare. He wasn't about the commercial legacy of things. He was about he was all heart, and he put his own money into things he believed in, even though none of it created any commercial return. And Prithvi is the living embodiment of that. It has facilitated and empowered people beyond him. That I think is important.
There is this story that always does the round that till the time Jennifer ma'am was alive, she was very particular about Shashi Saab's diet, and he was slim and trim,
Yes.
and
Yes.
like he looked much younger. Like in fact, he played Mr. Bachchan's younger brother in so many of the films
Yeah.
because he looked so young. Um,
Yeah.
how do you look at this love story? It's a beautiful love story. Do you think that it can be made into a film at some stage?
It's very interesting. That's a very interesting question. Um I think there's deep. It's so fascinating. I thought about this a lot. Not only my grandparents' love story and the tragedy of it, my parents also, how their love story and their kind of eventual separation. Going further back, also, my great grandparents. Um, uh, I think they're very powerful stories. I would like to learn from them and maybe channel them in some way, if I can create some stories that were inspired from them. I wouldn't do a biopic. I wouldn't try and recreate, but I think there's a lot to be learned from those stories, and I think to learn from life and then to be able to give it expression is a deep foundational value I have. So I'm definitely open to absorbing and expressing like that. Uh, I wouldn't want to do it like a ये देखो यही हुआ था बायोपिक की तरह मैं नहीं करना चाहूंगा लेकिन
Mm.
बहुत चीजें हैं इट्स वेरी स्पेशल स्टोरीज
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Okay, an advice Ramesh Sippy Saab gave you that you hold very dear to your heart.
to try and always to try and listen to your gut, to listen to what feels right to you, uh, because everything else is always changing and fluctuating, so you never really know everyone else, even as much as their intentions maybe. Just be listen to your instinct.
In fact, Ramesh Sippy Saab, he gave me an award at Jharkhand National Film Festival in Ranchi a few years back.
क्या बात है.
So that's
Oh,
the memory that I have of Ramesh ji. I've interviewed him. I think he's a fantastic guy. He's a really, really cool guy.
fantastic.
A
Yes.
quality you'd like to steal from the following members of your family. A quality you would
Hmm.
like to steal from the following members of your family. Ranbir Kapoor.
I'm going to change this steal into inspire because
Okay.
I'm inspired by these qualities. Ranbir Kapoor, eh, he has incredible presence. You look at every role he's in, his performances. You see how present he is, how there in that scene, and he has this conviction of just belief in that way, and I love that. I'm inspired by that, of how present he is, just naturally or like intentionally, whatever it is, but he's just there. I love that energy of his.
Your favorite Ranbir Kapoor performance?
Rockstar, I think.
Mm,
I saw Rockstar twice on the same day.
interesting.
I was like, wow. Yeah.
Okay, Kareena Kapoor. What would you like to steal from Kareena Kapoor?
Her tenacity.
Mm.
She is no nonsense tenacity. She knows, and her confidence. I love it. I love how she's brave. She's a powerful person and vulnerable. Like she has that ability. I love that about her. She's also all heart, but strong, tenacious.
Okay, Neetu Singh ji.
Her loyalty. I think her sense of solidarity and loyalty, and also a kind of different kind of strength. It's a whole different quality of strength.
Ramesh Sippy Sab.
His instinct and his understanding of a scene. You know, if you look at his scene work, because more than, of course, the film as a whole, but the scenes, they're very rich in his films, even in the kind of smaller scale. Like Sholay is big scale, but like a film like Shakti, which is not so big scale, or then even in his Bunyad, in a TV series also, it's not about scale, but scenes, like the tensions between characters, and timing, and how do you create tension and release, and how do you even comedically, like how do you build up something and then pay it off. His scene work is incredible.
Right. Okay, red flag or green flag? Following statements, according to you, whether they are red flag or green flag. Um, is late night rehearsals a red flag or a green flag?
Little bit of a red flag.
Okay. Avoiding social media during a film shoot, red flag or green flag?
Green flag. I would like to also be better at that, but yeah, green flag. Please disconnect. Offline is the new luxury, I think.
Disregarding co-star chemistry for a role.
Please help me understand this question.
Disregarding co-star chemistry for a role in terms of that at times actors they get very obsessed about their performance and their role, and somehow because see ultimately it's a collaboration. Like
100%. Oh my God, I hate working with someone who is only concerned about themselves. I am only interested in giving. It's not about me at all. It's about you, as in the character I'm dealing with. The scene is not about me. It's about what I'm trying to get the other person to do. मतलब वो मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहा है। वो या तो मुझे कुछ कन्विंस करना है, मुझे उनसे मुझे कुछ लेना है, मैं कुछ चाहता हूँ उनसे ना, सो द सीन इज़ अबाउट देम, सीन इज़ नेवर अबाउट मी।
and I think one of the best parts about Black Warrant is the casting, and apart from that the way the give and take has happened between actors is stupendous. It's absolutely
Absolutely.
wonderful. Okay,
Absolutely.
taking breaks between projects to recharge.
Yeah. So I think good. Green flag.
Okay, working on a project with no prior experience in the genre.
Uh I think I don't know. It's difficult, to say that. That's a tricky one, because it can be a red flag only if you're it can be a green flag also. I don't know how to answer this. I'm so sorry. Because if you could be exploring, if you're curious about it, and you know that कि मेरे पास experience नहीं है, but मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, it can be a great green flag.
Yeah, absolutely. Like say someone like
You
Ritik,
know?
for example, he has always experimented with so many diverse roles and
Yeah.
go beyond his comfort levels. I think I
Yeah.
think it's definitely a green flag. Okay, being extremely certain about what works and what doesn't.
Red flag. I think a little bit humility and curiosity and openness has to be there. Like you can be कि मुझे ये करना है, ये ही work होगा, ये ही करना चाहिए. I feel that's a red flag.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, being extremely private about personal life.
Green flag. I personally think.
Taking inspirations from family legacy for your career.
100% इंस्पिरेशन ही इंस्पिरेशन है, कॉपी नहीं करने का, इंस्पिरेशन लेने का।
Copy नहीं करने का. All right, Zan, thank you very much. Wonderful talking to you, and
थैंक
congratulations
यू
for
सो
Black
मच,
Warrant, and all the
थैंक
best
यू सो
wishes for
मच।
all your future ventures. I'm sure that you're going to go from strength to strength. Thank you so much.
I really hope so. Thank you so much. It's, I mean, such a privilege and a pleasure to speak with you. Really, I'm so happy we could have this conversation.